Balibago kabayan, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo sa Legend Seafood Restaurant located sa may Balibago, Angeles. I'm gonna show you more about this new Chinese restaurant. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! An exclusive access dito po sa kanilang kitchen. Right now, we're having a photo shoot dun sa mga dishes that are coming out. And then this is how it looks like dito sa loob. Ayan, no? Let's start our meal. Dito so meron tayong cucumber salad and an Hainanese chicken. Alright, cheers! Sobrang lambot guys and sobrang moist niya. Cheers! Oh, it's still hot. I like it. Tayo dito. In the middle, meron tayong century egg. Look at this. So, another interesting dish we're gonna have here is yung kanilang black xiaolong bao. Black xiaolong bao. Yan, if you know this guys, black wrapper and then meron tayong edible gold. So, hindi lang yung mga sibuyas yung mahal ngayon, guys. Pati gold, eh, no? And then, another batch of chili sauce. Xiaolong bao. Cheers! Naman, pala pa, bro. Yan, no? Ang ganda nung partition nila. Alright, so let's dip it here. Parang medyo may konting sauce, no? Wow! Sa atin guys, ito yung tinatawag nilang mga Adidas, but ito yung kanilang chicken feet. Sweet and sour chicken feet. First time kong titikman to. Just chili. Collagen-rich dish. Chicken feet, yan kung gusto nyo bumalik sa pagkabata. Chicken feet. There's the sado sauce. Oh, manyaman, no?
Fried duck bone with salt and pepper.
Yung Peking chicken nila is actually served three ways. So the first one is the skin. The second is the meat. So this is how you actually consume it, no? Fried noodles at the bottom, and then yung pinaka-meat natin for the duck is this one. Lagyan natin siya ng, look at this sauce, very thick siya, you know? Ooh. Ayan, so before I consume this, and the third one is yung stir fry. Tama po ba? Ayan, this is the duck stir fry. Of course, one of the main dishes. And then this is the second one. Ayan. Alright, cheers! Sarap talaga ng sauce nila. Alright, so that was it. That was for our vlog today, guys. If you're looking for an authentic Chinese restaurant dito po sa Angeles City, of course, you're gonna have some options, but this is one of the best, I think, in my experience dito po. Come and check out the Legends dito po sa my Best Western Bendix Hotel, Angeles City. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.